Kamali lang yung tao. I do not have to, derogate others. Pero yung sa ngayon, yung nangunguna sa survey, Sos Mariosep. But if that is the way your country, may mga tao dito na dedicated, may alam, abogado, pagdating sa survey nakita mo, you can only shake your head and say, well, talagang gusto ninyo, you deserve the kind of government that you elect. I do not want to insult anybody. After all, who am I to be judgmental about what they can do or what they cannot do for this country?